Happy Tip Tuesday, everyone. This is Mitch over at IndySoft. It has been a really long time since I've made one of these videos, so it's great to see everyone. I hope you're all having a fantastic start to the new year. Exciting things over here at IndySoft. We actually just released a pretty major version. Version 14 has come out, and in this video I actually want to showcase a quick tip, but I think one of my there's a lot of things going on in version 14 that are awesome, but I want to actually show you just one of my favorite features, actually two of my favorite features that are very, very similar, but I think they're very cool and also honestly just help increase efficiency for technicians that are actually calibrating tools and on the bench. This one's applicable for our manufacturers and our commercial cal labs as well. So let's jump right in. So the feature that I want to show you is actually while doing a calibration, we have added two shortcut or hotkeys that actually allow a technician to view the last certificate of the standards that you select while you're in the middle of a calibration, or you could just be the calibration or the unit under test that you are calibrating. You might want to quickly be able to go pull up the test points or the calibration certificate from last cycle. So let's show you those things. So let's say that we're in the middle of a calibration event, and depending on, I just have a little pop-up message there about don't forget to take my readings or my averages. But the first thing here is when you go through the event, we always have our who, what, when, where. We have our calibration procedures that are available. We have labor repair cost if you're utilizing that. But as we navigate over to our specifier standards, we all know there's a variety of ways you can add your standards in. You can do it by an employee filter or by some of our hotkeys for the same standards that you used last year. But what I wanted to point out is, let's say we are indeed going to use this standard, and for whatever reason there is a situation where we need to view the last certificate of that standard itself. This is an awesome feature where you can just select that icon. It will actually go into the database and render that certificate for you to view. So just in case there was something going wrong with the item, you want to verify something about that standard, that's an awesome feature to save you from having to close out or potentially even just open up another session of the software. So that's the first thing that I wanted to show you. I think that's an awesome feature. Now, the one that I actually think might be even nicer or even better is actually under the next step. And this is where we go over to our calibration results screen. Now, we all know we have our data sheets where you can pull in data, etc. But one of the new icons that we've added up top here is actually a shortcut to see the latest calibration cert from the instrument that we are performing the calibration against. So in my case, that's instrument MXV or MXF-10002. If I want to see the certificate from the last time this item was calibrated, I can again select this very similar icon, and it's going to render that calibration certificate for me to go in there and view. So if I ever wanted to do like a comparison against maybe last year's calibration results against this year's, a very quick and easy feature for you to do that we've added into version 14. So I know this is a quick, short video, probably just a preview into what's to come in version 14. Please reach out to our technical support team if you have any questions at all on this, or don't ever hesitate to contact myself as well. Look forward to everyone working with you this calendar year, and I hope you all have a fantastic week. Thank you for the time and watching this video.